10 years ago. Now we move to the next one. So at the end of the day, we are trying to model a target variable against hundreds of non-target variables. To handle these, so therefore there are two parts which are becoming very important. You need software which can handle big data, and you need basic knowledge of statistics and modeling which can enable you to leverage the data and build a model. This slide provides a high-level overview of the software which are currently available in the market. This is definitely not an exhaustive list. This is a list which is generally used. The first one is Excel, which is used at a very basic level, but it is good to start off with. But obviously, it cannot deal with big data, as we all know. A combination of you have database software like MySQL, Cognos, Teradata, Idaho, which is MySQL and SQL especially have very strong database functionality. MySQL is open source, on which if you add a software called R, which is an open source statistical software, you can just Google R statistical software and download it, or you can take a trial license of Statistica or SPSS which is available. You will notice that you are able to manage it as well as you have the full solution in place to not only manage data but build models. Statistical software are SAS, SPSS, Statistica, R, and StatSoft. StatSoft and Statistica is the same. Database software is MySQL, SQL, Hadoop, Teradata, Cognos. So you can have open source solutions to manage the software, manage and build out any analytical solution. Now we come to the universal. Just give me a minute on this. Just give me 1 minute. I'm just loading another slide. Yeah. Now we come to the next step in terms of how you can use data, software, and your own conceptual understanding to build analytical solutions. I will not spend too much time on this. I would urge you to Google CRISP DM process for analytics. Just like in software, we have the SDLC, software SDLC. Similarly, in analytics, we have CRISP DM, cross industry standard processes for data mining. This is basically a 6-stage process which is used for solving any analytical solution. It is basically defined as, first you understand the business objectives, then you do the data study, then the data is prepared and integrated, then analysis and modeling is done, then the models are evaluated. Once it passes evaluation, it is deployed. There's a lot of articles and written on this. Please feel free to go through it, and you're most welcome to reach out to anybody in my